I've been preparing my colorful adventure game Hues of Hope for the first playtest, but while doing this I realized that the main character has a massive problem. Not only is his aim a little bit off, but his look doesn't fit as well. In theory he should be a painter, but instead looks like a mix between Wiki and Mickey, which isn't ideal. Until now it didn't bother me at all, but for the playtest I really want the character to look less like a Viking, so I decided to remove something I wanted to remove a long time ago. As some of you might know, I'm a Blender expert, so sit back and learn how to turn a helmet into this thing. Step 1. Filling holes with extrude and scale. Step 2. Editing the UVs to make it look gorgeous. Step 3. Checking if the rig got messed up. Looking good. Step 4. Removing half of his head for whatever reason. Step 5. Not being allowed to undo stupid things. Step 6. Restart. Step 7. Make it red. Step 8. Pull around vertices like a pro. Step 9. Adjusting all the textures. Step 10. Appreciate the work. Jokes aside, I really like how it turned out, especially with my limited skills in 3D art, but while trying to look at him from all the different angles, the grass in the viewport really annoyed me. So I refreshed my knowledge about materials and created this fade out effect on the foliage, whatever, which made it less annoying if you aim at something large. Yes, I also started working on the boss for the demo level, but only came to the spawning blobs ability before noticing that my character has even more problems. So I delayed the boss, and after some annoying troubleshooting everything worked and I could go back to the enemy. Or so I thought. For some bizarre reason, fixing the bug caused another bug where you weren't allowed to cast anything after dashing from one stone to another. And if that wasn't bad enough, the collision detection of the river stopped working as well, even though I didn't change a thing. But even though I didn't change a thing, can't be the case. Neither Unreal nor any other engine does anything without someone triggering it, and in my case it was updating an asset I use. It turned out that in the process of updating the asset, Unreal overwrote some of the blueprints and materials, which ended up removing a tag necessary for the collision detection. So take that as a friendly reminder to make a backup from time to time, or else your week might turn from preparing a demo to days of troubleshooting as well. Anyways, the character works perfectly fine again, but with no time left, the demo will get its own devlog, so stick around if that sounds interesting to you. And just in case you want to support me even more, make sure to wishlist the game or consider supporting me on Patreon. But now, thanks a lot for watching and have a good one.